He's no more than a scammy-like YouTuber sitting with his baseball cap, very unhealthy lifestyle, messing around, talking a load of rubbish, and telling everyone to buy a rubbish thing while living in his mum's back bedroom, talking absolute rubbish. The guy was a fraud and is a fraud and a very, very bad person. Robinhood. On this video, we're going to talk about where I see Robinhood going, a price prediction, give you a chance to win $204 in cash. We're paying it out next week. It's a big one, and some really important news for buybacks for Robinhood. This information was sent in. Thank you to one of our members, Niels, who sent it in to me so I could actually report on this news. We just verified it and checked it. All our members send in verified links, and thank you, Niels, for doing that. Some big information here on Robinhood. Why I'm bullish on Robinhood, why I've got a big position. I'm going to share with you my position, how much money I've got invested in Robinhood, give you the chance to also win some free stocks from Robinhood as well. So this is a video you don't want to miss. Plus, also how you can get $150 for free from Robinhood without doing anything by simply asking for it. And no, it's not free stocks. It's actual cash. I've got it, I'm sharing it with you, and I'm going to tell you all about it in this video. You do not want to miss this video. Watch to the end. Watch to the end. This is made during a live video. Watch to the end and you'll get the opportunity to win some money, win some free shares of Robinhood, and I'm going to tell you exactly how I got $150 in cash for free from Robinhood by simply asking for it. You want to know all about that? Let's get on with the video. Here we go. Robinhood. This is my position, and I'm going to share with you my exact position. Here we go. If I look down here, I will share with you, I have got 209 shares in my brokerage position, which is 6% of my portfolio. Very bullish. And I'm up 21%. Very nice. What about my Roth IRA? My Roth IRA, I've got $3,000 worth of shares, 28% up, and 18.96% part of my portfolio. So as you can see, I'm very bullish on Robinhood, and I've got lots of reasons to be bullish on Robinhood. I believe it's a 4, 6, Kathy Wood even says a 10x. I don't go quite that far, but certainly a 4x in the foreseeable future over the next 3 to 4 years. So I'm holding it. I believe in it. I use it every day. I trade on it every day, and I also invest in it every day. So what is the good news? What are we talking about today? Why is the stock up today? And what is the news I've got for you? Stick a little bit further in the video, and I'll give you that $204 cash giveaway opportunity and tell you how you can claim $150 for free from Robinhood. Brilliant information. It's free and it's not free stocks. Let's get right into that information. This has just come out just a few moments ago, and this is Robinhood to buy back Bankman-Fried's stake from US government for $605 million. Now, first of all, we just need to be absolutely clear. This is a small amount of shares when it comes to the overall thing on Robinhood. There'll be YouTubers today telling you, that's it, YouTube, they'll be telling you, because they want to sell videos and make money, they'll be telling you that Robinhood is now going to go up tenfold today, which is not true. This is a good thing, but it's not a game changer. There are many reasons why Robinhood is up today. This is just a piece in the puzzle. But, however, it is good information, and I'm going to break it down a little bit more for you. Let's go into it. So here we go. Robinhood said on Friday it had entered into a share repurchase agreement with the United States Marshal Services for $605 million to buy back stock from Sam Bankman-Fried's Emergent Fidelity Technologies. Now, real investors, not gamblers, not guessers, not people who just watched YouTube videos, real investors already knew this was going to happen. Hence why I own the stock already. Hence why I'm not buying on the news. I'm already in when it was down, because we report all the earnings and we knew that there was a buyback on the cards. They just didn't say exactly what it was. But those of us who watch the stock all the time knew what they were talking about. We knew this is where it was coming from. That was in the last earnings report, but it's good now that the news is out, because now everyone's pumping the stock up again. but that's the worst thing to do. It's not the worst thing to do. It's great when everyone buys the stock, it goes up. But I'm already in. I don't buy the pumps, I buy the dips, okay? So anyway, let's scroll down and see a bit more. The shares of Robinhood were seized and subsequently transferred to the custody of the US government after Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX and Emergent filed for bankruptcy protection last year. We also want to remember as well how this is another reason why I invest in any company. I invest in companies that I understand. I invest in companies where I research the CEO, where I make relationships with the CEO. I spoke to Robinhood the other day and I got $150 in cash for free back. And I'm going to tell you why. Because of the relationships you can build with the companies. People from Robinhood follow me on Twitter. I understand the company. And I also understand the mentality of Vlad Tenev. If you remember, Sam Bankman-Fried tried to, well, as you know, buy into Robinhood. Robinhood could have ended up getting swamped and involved in the whole Sam Bankman-Fried saga. They declined. Sam Bankman-Fried wanted to go into a deal, a takeover of Robinhood, if you remember all of that. Remember all of that stuff? And it was very, very important. It made a lot of news, and it was reported on the earnings reports. If Robinhood had gone for it, Robinhood would have gone bankrupt and we'd have lost all our money. They knew that Sam Bankman-Fried wasn't good. They didn't want any part of that. And Vlad Tenev did a very good job protecting the company and all of us who invest in it from that. So that could have happened, but it was not going to happen on Vlad Tenev's watch. So I'm really glad about that. Again, understanding the CEO, understanding the management of the company, I knew that wasn't going to happen. Robinhood shares climbed more than 3% in the pre-market. That's just a few moments ago. The online brokerage said the sales of 55 million shares of 10.96 apiece have been approved by the US Direct Court for the Southern District of New York. First, Robinhood first disclosed its intention to buy back the stake in February. Remember? See, I hadn't read that news when I said to you a few moments ago they'd already said it. We already knew they'd said it, and we have that information because we follow all the earnings reports. That's why you must join us for the earnings reports. It's boring, but you learn about the company. It's so important to make the right decisions, right? Its intention to buy back the stake in February and said the company's board had authorized it to pursue purchasing most or all of the stock. Okay, we knew that. Now it's just being publicized. Just 6 months before his company filed for bankruptcy last November, Sam Bankman-Fried revealed a 7.61% stake in Robinhood, but said he did not have any intention of taking control of the retail trading platform. Yes, he did. That, again, is not true. He did. He told Reuters at the first time that FTX was excited about Okay, he said. Sam Bankman-Fried's in prison. Sam Bankman-Fried is a liar. Sam Bankman-Fried had every intention of buying out the company. That's what he wanted to do. Everybody who knew it, knew it. All right? He's a liar. He's in prison. He was excited about Robinhood's business prospects and potential ways we could partner with them. Yeah, no partner from you. Thank you very much. You're a liar and a scammer. Go to prison and stay there. Bankman-Fried rode a boom in the value of Bitcoin and other digital assets to build a net worth of an estimated $26 billion and became an influential political donor to the United States. But FTX's collapse wiped out his fortune. Absolutely right. The guy is a complete and utter liar. Now then, other YouTubers at the time, if you want to put me in the bank of YouTubers, took payment from FTX and they promoted rubbish on their platforms. I would never did, never would. It was rubbish. I said it was rubbish at the time, and it was. He's gone to prison. He stay there. Anyway, getting back to this report. He has pleaded not guilty to fraud and conspiracy charges stemming from November 2022 collapse of his now bankrupt cryptocurrency exchange. As a U.S. judge in Manhattan earlier said this month ordered Bankman-Fried be jailed ahead of his October trial. Yes, finding that the former billionaire likely tampered with witnesses while confined to his parents' Palo Alto, California home. This is a typical example of this. All right? He's no more than a scammy-like YouTuber sitting with his baseball cap, very unhealthy lifestyle, messing around, talking a load of rubbish, and telling everyone to buy a rubbish thing while living in his mum's back bedroom, talking absolute rubbish. The guy was a fraud and is a fraud and a very, very bad person and took a lot of money from people. All he cared about was lying and promoting himself and making himself rich. Well, now he's going to jail. So, fortunately for us, Robinhood knew all of that and did not partner with him. So, that's why the shares of Robinhood are going up today, partly, not just because of that news, but partly. All good stuff. So, there we go. Are you in Robinhood? Now, I did say if you watch to the end of the video, I would tell you how you can get $150 cash from Robinhood and how you can win $204 from me. I'm giving away more money than Robinhood. Maybe I'll make more money. I don't know. Right, click above my head and it will take you to our giveaway. $204 in cash you can win. It's free. martynlucas.com/giveaway. You can win free money by entering our giveaway. Also, if you look above my head, there is a video I put out a couple of days ago, and I'll link it over here and down here. I'll put two videos down here as well for you that you can check out. And on that video, I tell you how I called up Robinhood, had a very polite, respectful conversation with them, and they decided to give me $150 in cash. Go and check it out, and I explain how I did it and how you can do it just by simply making a phone call to Robinhood. I did it. There's no reason why you can't do it. Nothing special with me whatsoever. So go and check out those videos and other information I think you might find useful down here. That's it from me. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.